So when you're looking at 3M, Tyler, this one has been in a downtrend since September of 21. And when you look at it on the longer term charts, you have that 200 simple that's a pretty strong area of resistance, and that's going to come in right around 110. So, yes, it's up today. It's looking pretty strong. The news is positive. But when you're looking at this overhead resistance, you have to keep in mind that 110 is a pretty strict line in the sand. So, I think that you could trade it on a short-term basis up into that zone, but I would rather short it from there because of the longer-term downtrend. I will say above 115, that's where I'm wrong, and that's where we have a trend reversal in play.
Danielle, up next we have pharma giant AMGN. The FTC says it will pause its challenge of Amgen's takeover bid of Horizon Therapeutics, a deal worth nearly $28 billion, and the pause will give the agency until September 18th to weigh a settlement case. What we're seeing right now is that Amgen is lower by 1/3%, but we saw Horizon up on the day. What would you do with Amgen?
So when you look at Amgen, I like the longer term uptrend in this stock. They've done relatively well with earnings, and this quarter in particular, they had this nice breakaway gap post earnings. Now, when we have a breakaway gap like that, I typically trade it to the upside for about a week and a half. Now, this one has traded higher for 9 days before it started pulling back. So I think it's pretty typical what it's doing here. And when you have that post earnings pullback, you generally want to wait for a nice support zone. So I think that looking at about 247 is a great area of support to start buying this along with the uptrend. But I will tell you that if that breaks, your next level is going to be 238. So I think you buy this one along with the trend. It's just a function of where it holds when this pullback ends.
All right, let's move on to CrowdStrike, down about 3% today. Downgrade from Morgan Stanley ahead of its earnings, saying consensus estimates for a rebound seem high in light of a more difficult demand environment. Pick that one apart for us, Danielle.
So when you look at CrowdStrike, this space has had a really challenging time over the last year and a half. I do like the stock on a long-term basis. I think that they have done really well on earnings, especially recently, even though the technicals aren't as favorable. Now, with today and the pullback, it's just barely clinging on to a critical zone of support right around 144. So, 142, 144, it's got to hold there. And if it doesn't, it's going to flush down into 131. So I would like to buy more of this. I do own the stock. I think, obviously the lower, the better, as long as it's holding critical support. So I would say it's good for additional buys between 131 and here, but just be cautious because we have earnings coming up and we have a market maker expected move of about $11. So I think it's pretty possible that it could fall down into that 131 zone, especially with the earnings report upcoming.
All right, Danielle, thank you very much. Appreciate it as always.